Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to use Google Lens on Pixel 10. So first, open the Google Lens and here you can take a photo of something like this plant right here, and now it will Google everything about the image. The image display is an artificial succulent plant in a small light green ceramic pot. This plant has fleshy green leaves, etc. As you can see, here are more photos of it, and you can find the articles right here. You can also translate through a photo. So let me just grab a piece of paper with something on it and put right in here, take a photo or just take a photo, and as you can see, it translated into a hi. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.